Hello everyone, it is spring. It's a very beautiful evening. Today's menu is Dakbokkeumtang. It's spicy braised chicken. Actually in Korea, it's a very delicious side dish. When we visit some guests, sometimes we usually make the Dakbokkeumtang. It's very delicious. So today I'm gonna make it. I prepared some vegetables, and first I gonna peel and wash by running water over it. Onion, potatoes, carrot, green pepper, and green onion. That's all. But main ingredients are, as you know, chicken. You know? Okay, I gonna wash from now on. This is chicken, chunk, and when we wash this chicken, we just get a little of this fat part, right? Yeah. After rinse and after wash the chicken, and just in the pot, please put the chicken. One chicken chunk. It is low, but it looks delicious. I like chicken. And first, what is this? It's just liquor, but for cooking, we sometimes use the taste liquor, but not taste liquor, wine, soju, anything is okay. Okay, no problem. Just 3 spoons. 1, 2, 3. Okay. You can make the chicken meat soft and get rid of some bad smell. And about spicy, just there is an order. First sugar, and second salt, and third we can just use powder, red pepper powder or red pepper paste. Okay. First sugar. This is teaspoon. Around 6 teaspoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And then you can just mix. Turn it over or stir. Yeah. Yeah, good. I'll add some water in this size cup. In case of this size glass, just 1.5 is enough, in my opinion. One. We should cut the potato into a big portion. Okay, this one like this, and the same way. This is onion, so big, so half, and then just like this. Also cut into a big portion. Yes. Okay. And this is carrot. Okay, good job. Spring onion. Also like same way. So just half and half to get rid of the bad smell, just we don't cover. Understand? Opening the pot, you can just boil the chicken. Yeah, and when the chicken is almost cooked, no, half cooked, we should add some vegetable. Potato first. Sorry. Yeah. Second, carrot. And third, onion. Spring onion is the last. You should make sauce, 닭볶음탕 sauce. First spoon garlic, enoughly, and soybean sauce just in case of this size cup, just to less a half. A quarter is better. Sorry. Mistake. Okay, a third. Here, your third. And red pepper paste is just like this. And sesame oil. Just 1, 2, and this is Korean red pepper powder, like this. 1 spoon. And this is 매실청. 매실청 is plum syrup. Okay, plum syrup. It's very smells good. Just 1 spoon. Sweet, and it can make soft the meat too. And you can stir it roughly. And this time, I put the lastly, but actually after boiling the chicken, you can this sauce first, and then you can put various vegetables, right? And you should stir and mix, turn it over. Spicy flavor, you can add this red pepper. Okay? Yeah, it is very spicy. Almost done. Doesn't it look like very, very delicious food? Delicious. Doesn't it look delicious? Would you try this one? Me first. Yummy. Really yummy.